Good morning, all of you. In the last class, we have done the estimation of earthwork in excavation of a two-room building using long wall and short wall method. And today, we are going to estimate the next item of work, that is cement concrete work in foundation of the same building. As we know, the cement concrete work is to be done under the entire wall, including the 2 long wall and 3 short wall. So, this one is the and this work is done at the bottom of the foundation. This cement concrete work is known as cement concrete work in foundation. And this is a cubic meter item and it has length, breadth and depth. So, first we will calculate what is the total quantity of the cement concrete work along long wall, and then we will calculate the quantity along short wall. Now, in order to find out the length, we will have to draw the plan of the building at the level of cement concrete work. So, as we have drawn the plan of the building at the level of foundation work, cement concrete work. So, the center line length will remain same for as in the previous case. So, the center line length, as all the footings are symmetrically placed, the center line length will remain same starting from the superstructure up to the bottom of the foundation. And this width of this wall, this is the width in all the direction will be equal to 1.10, because we have drawn the plan at the level of cement concrete work. So, as this is having the width of 1.1, so the width in all the side will become 1.1. Now, we will first go for our cement concrete work in foundation along long wall. So, this is the center to center length along long wall. So, this length will be equal to, as we have already found out, this center to center length along long wall is 10.6 meter. So, this length is 10.6. So, this is the center to center length, but in order to find out the length of the cement concrete work, we have to find out what is the out to out dimension of the cement concrete work along long wall. So, this out to out dimension will be calculated by adding this width will be equal to half of the width on one side, this is, and this one is the half of the width on another side. So, when we will add this half of the width on both the side to the center line length, then we will get the total out to out dimension along long wall. So, this is the center to center line length, and with this we will add half of the width on both the side, that means 1.1 by 2 for this side and 1.1 by 2 for this side. So, this will give the total value of this will give the total value of, so the length will become equal to how much? This will be equal to 11.7. Clear? And what about this is the long wall portion. So next part is what is the width. So this is the width of the work. So this width of the work is how much? This is equal to 1.1. Then come to the depth part. The depth means thickness of this cement concrete work. So it is written in the mark your cross section of wall. So here it is written that the thickness of the concrete work is how much? This is 30 centimeter. So thickness or depth will be 0.3 meter. Now we will move to our details of measurement form, where we will put the dimensions. So here the in serial number we will put we will write 2, and in the particulars of item we will write down cement concrete work in foundation, and we are doing the long wall. So number of long wall is 2, length is center to center length 10.6 plus 1.1. 1.1 is the corresponding width of the cement concrete work. So 11.7, width is 1.1, depth is 0.3. So by multiplying these three, you can find out the total quantity as 7.72 cubic meter. So you can mark one thing, the cement concrete work in foundation is having same length and breadth as that of earthwork in excavation, because both the works are having same width, that is 1.10. So you can see your earthwork in excavation that you have done in the previous class. So here also your length is 11.7, width is 1.1. Only the variation is in the depth part. So here the depth is 1 in case of earthwork in excavation, as in earthwork in excavation we are taking the diamond depth starting from the ground level up to the bottom of the foundation, and here in case of cement concrete work this is the thickness of the cement concrete work, that is 0.3. Now let us move to the next part, that is short wall. So now we will move to the short wall. So for short wall again we have to draw the plan at the level of cement concrete wall. This is the center line length of the building, which is same for all the item of work, and here we have completed this part and also this part. So now we are left with only this much of portion, this part and this part. So these three are having same dimension. So now we will calculate what is the length of this part. So we are having the center to center length of short wall, that is already calculated as 6.3. So this is 6.3, and here also all the walls are having same width, that is 1.1. So see, when from the center line length, if we will subtract half of the width on one side and half of the width on another side, then we will get our length of the left out portion. So from 6.3, when we will subtract half of the width from both the side, we will get our length of the left out portion. That means this length is equal to how much? 5.2. So this is the required length. So what about the breadth? Breadth will be equal to, this much is equal to 1.10 as we have discussed. So D is equal to thickness of the concrete work, that is same as your long wall, 0.3. So all the dimensions are already accurately taken. Then we will move to our details of measurement form in order to put those dimensions in the table format. So now here see, next one is short wall. The number was 3, length is 6.3 is the center to center length, and from that we will subtract half of the breadth from both the sides, that means 1 breadth. So minus 1.1 will give out 5.2, breadth is 1.1, depth is 0.3, same as your long wall. So by multiplying these 3, we will get the total quantity along long wall as 5.15 cubic meter, and by adding of these two, long wall and short wall, we will get the total quantity of cement concrete work as 12.87 cubic meter. So the short wall is also having same dimension as your earthwork in excavation. See, here also the length is 5.2 and breadth is 1.10. So this is all about for today's class. In the next class, we will do the estimation of next item of work, that is brickwork in foundation and plinth. Thank you.